When you're working on a muscle, you don't grind back and forth, right? You also don't punch it. So what do people do? They buy a massage gun, which neither massages or shoots anything out. The most mal-named device ever created, right? So what a massage gun does is, now what do you think would happen if your patient was laying on the table and you go to work on their quads and you start doing this? You think that's effective? You think they're gonna pay you for that? You think that muscle's gonna relax? Why do people buy massage guns? It's bizarre. It's advertisement, pure and simple. Massage guns don't do either. At least if it shot something, it'd be fun. So they don't do either. Now, a massage gun, just like any tool, can be used in a good way, in a beneficial way. What a massage gun would do and what tepotamine does is it doesn't relax the tissues, it actually activates the tissues. So if you do a massage gun gently on big muscles before you exercise, actually that could be a good idea. If you watch boxing movies, right, what are they doing with the boxer before he goes out and fights? That's before the fight, not after the fight. All right, so that happens in boxing because they're trying to activate those muscles and get blood flow. That's before the fight. So massage guns would be great as a warm-up on big muscles before exercise, not as relaxing massage tools, okay? And then what do people do? I've had patients come to me and say, oh, I love the massage gun, it makes me feel so much better. And then I use it on my neck and I get kind of dizzy, but I keep doing it. But you know, it's just the power of advertisement, because they dump advertising like crazy about massage guns.
Hi, I'm Randy Clark. You've been watching these videos for a little bit now. You know what our school's about. What are you waiting for? If this interests you, if this sounds like something you want to do, go to our website at cns.edu. Check it out, hit the apply button, change your life today.